Preventing repeat calls for the same air conditioning issue starts with treating each service visit as an opportunity to solve the root cause, not just the symptom. Start with a systematic diagnostic checklist that begins at the thermostat and flows through airflow, refrigerant pressures, electrical connections, and control logic. Use measured values rather than guesses. So record temperature splits, static pressure, amp draws, and refrigerant subcooling and superheat where applicable. These numbers let you prove the problem and verify the repair. When replacing parts, confirm the original failure mode so you do not exchange a component that was a casualty of another issue, and always test the system under load for at least 10 to 15 minutes to confirm stability. Tighten and torque electrical connections to spec and apply anti-oxidation compound on aluminum terminations to prevent future resistance heating. Educate the homeowner in plain language about airflow restrictions, filter change frequency, and thermostat settings that cause short cycling, so they can prevent misuse. Offer a tailored preventative maintenance plan with scheduled visits and checklist items the homeowner can follow between services. 3 common pitfalls cause repeat calls: superficial fixes that ignore the underlying problem, poor documentation so follow-up technicians cannot see what was done, and lack of homeowner engagement that allows avoidable behaviors to continue. When a superficial fix is tempting, take the extra time to trace the chain of failure and explain the incremental cost and benefit of a full diagnosis so the homeowner makes an informed choice. For documentation, leave both a concise printed work order and an emailed copy that includes measurements, parts replaced, and recommended next steps so any technician who returns has the full history. To engage the homeowner, demonstrate the issue briefly, show the numbers you recorded, and give simple written instructions for filter care and thermostat use so they can be an active partner in prevention. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like air conditioning maintenance and repair. We help homeowners find local contractors and allow contractors to find work and contribute to our discussion community where practical advice and experiences are shared.